What if I told you laziness doesn't exist? Not in the way you think. You're not lazy. You're not weak. You're not undisciplined. You're overstimulated. Your brain is tired, not from working, but from consuming, scrolling, videos, messages, noise. And then you wonder why you can't focus for 10 minutes. Stay with me. This video might change how you see yourself. The laziness myth. We call ourselves lazy when we can't study, can't work, can't start. But think about this. Have you ever spent 3 hours scrolling and felt exhausted after doing nothing? That's not laziness. That's mental overload. Your brain has a battery, and you drain it before doing anything meaningful. Imagine eating junk food all day and then complaining you're not fit enough to run. That's exactly what we do with our attention. What overstimulation does. Every notification, every reel, every short video gives your brain a tiny hit of dopamine, cheap pleasure, no effort. And your brain learns, why work hard when easy pleasure is available? So when you sit to study, your brain screams, this is boring. Open Instagram, watch one more video. It's not you talking, it's your dopamine system. You didn't become lazy. You were trained to be distracted. The hidden cost. Overstimulation steals 3 things: your focus, your patience, your confidence. Because every time you avoid work, you prove to yourself, I'm not capable. And that story becomes your identity. Not lazy, just conditioned. How to fix this? You don't need motivation, you need silence. Step 1, lower the noise. For 1 week, no phone for first 60 minutes, no reels before work, no music while studying. Let your brain feel bored again. Step 2, make work smaller than distraction. Instead of, I'll study 3 hours, say, just 5 minutes. Your brain doesn't resist small steps. Step 3, delay dopamine. Earn it. Don't consume it first. Work, then reward. Not the opposite. New identity. Tell yourself this, I'm not lazy. I'm recovering from distraction. Every minute of focus is a muscle growing. Every time you return to work, you rewire your brain, slowly, quietly, unrushed. Laziness is not your personality. It's a nervous system state. Change the inputs, and you change yourself. Welcome to the Unrushed Mind. If this hit you, comment, I'm not lazy. Subscribe for more real self-growth.